Anant, let's speak a little about the fancy business, the electric vehicles business. You were an early entrant as far as the business is concerned, about 60% market share as far as the residential side is concerned, 25% on the commercial side. Break down your role as far as this space is concerned. There are various, departments to this particular business: procurement, assembly, maintenance. Where do you come into play, and what is your role as far as the sector is concerned?
Correct. Right, Yash, we started this business in 2019, and thankfully, due to industry growth and our relentless effort, today we have 60% market share in residential charging and 25% in commercial charging. Our role is as a technology player and a manufacturer of EV charger solution. We develop technology and then manufacture EV chargers for variety of applications. It may be home charging. So if you as a consumer, you buy a car, usually you will get a charger along with the car, which you will put at home and charge your car overnight. Or it's the chargers in the public charging space or bus charging space, where you would see these chargers being put up by various infra players as part of the city infrastructure or as part of bus depots for charging those vehicles as well. So we manufacture these products for all such vertical markets.
You know, there are multiple stakeholders in the EV charging business. We have the Tata Power HPCL tie-up, Jio BP. So where do you come in the ecosystem?
So we are providers of products to such companies.
You've alluded to a report in your RHP talking about, how CRISIL sees the market, the EV market, to grow at 50 to 60% between 23 to 28. If 50 to 60% is the EV market growth that one is estimating for the charging solutions industry, what is the growth that you estimate?
The EV charger market is expected to grow between 50 to 60% CAGR over the next 4 years. Or in terms of numbers, that means 1,200 crore market will go to almost 9,000 plus crore market in the next 4 years. We were one of the early entrants in the business. And while we have had really good growth, but let's appreciate that these are still early years in the industry. As a country today, we are selling about 100,000 passenger vehicles, electric passenger vehicles, about 2,500 buses. And there's a huge room to grow. This is 1 lakh cars is about 2.5% electric vehicle penetration. Imagine what the market looks like when this becomes 10% or 15%. And that is the market that got us excited for this business. So rather than the just market share, we are very excited about the absolute volume that this market is opening up.
What about margins for the EV charging business? On a consolidated basis, your EBITDA margins are 7 to 9%. Considering that the EV charging business is still in the nascent stage, there are a lot of investments, the ecosystem is developing, the infrastructure is still gaining momentum. Are the margins lower or higher than the power business?
So, as you rightly pointed out, the consolidated margins are 9%, and EV chargers has seen a lot of growth, but still in early phases, a lot of growth yet to come for the industry. As far as specific margins are concerned, that is...
higher or lower?
Higher or lower.
So, I would just say that today our consolidated margins are in the range that you...
But it's profitable for you.
We are still in the investment phase, and our focus is to make sure we achieve our growth plans and the business plans that we have set out for ourselves.
What are these growth and business plans? Tell us about your targets.
So, as we spoke earlier, the industry growth targets for EV charger market are between 50 to 60%. And that's a huge growth from 1,000 crore plus market to 9,000 crore plus market. We are a leader in this market today, and we are investing this money to make sure we continue to be a leader in this market even in future.